This tool is designed to be able to pull out the Astro-Cooler blanket over variable height pallets without the operator getting off the forklift. We're going to be showing this video with 48-inch and 60-inch tall pallets. And as you can see here, once the D-rings are attached to the blanket, we are lifting the blanket up with this tool, attaching it approximately 4 feet back from the pallet that you've just pulled from, right in the center of the container. In this load, we're jumping from 48-inch pallet, tall pallets in the middle, to 60-inch pallets in the second row. As you can see, he will load the second pallet in the second row. We'll pull back out and we'll go back into the middle now of these two pallets to grab the tool. We'll pull the tool down off of the ceiling, move it back approximately 4 feet, and reattach. And then he will back up and go get 2 more pallets and continue the process all the way to the end of the trailer. At the end, you just remove the tool from the blanket, put it down to the floor, and you're ready to go.